Guys, today I have a very special recipe for my cat. I had pumpkin with chicken. How's my love? Let's see if he like. Yummy, 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 baby, yummy. Coco, here you go, Coco. Tony, there you go. Fabi, yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy. You don't like? Yummy, yummy. Oh, Coco like it. Oh, they like it. They like this food. Yum, 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 yum. Eat. Eat la, my love. Eat. Eat la, Romeo, yum, yum, yum. Romeo, yum, yum, yum. Ya, yung ga. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 You don't like? This one, oh, yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 oh. Yummy. Ay, sus. Oh.